Suzuki V-Strom 650 Best Beginner Dual Sport Bikes. If you're not entirely sure whether you'll be riding street or dirt, or, perhaps, a little bit of both, a dual sport bike is the best choice for you. Much like with street bikes, when you're asking for a first motorcycle recommendation, dual sport is going to come up a lot, and for good reason. Some of the best beginner dual sport motorcycles are amazingly easy to handle and build confidence quickly, they're well balanced, sturdy, and reliable, and their main attraction point is the versatility they offer. You can confidently take a dual sport bike to work, for a weekend trip, or off the road, and it will happily chug along whatever you throw at it. In addition, they're easy to modify. If you decide to stick to tarmac roads, you're good to go with a set of good street tires and a higher windshield. If, on the other hand, you'll discover you want to ride more dirt, simply get a better suspension and throw a pair of more aggressive tires on, and you're ready for backcountry discovery routes. If you're looking for a good beginner dual sport, test ride a Yamaha Tenere 700, a Kawasaki KLR 650, or a Suzuki V-Strom 650. All of these motorcycles have reliable, mid-sized engines, great ergonomics, and affordable price tags, and they will serve both as fantastic entry-level bikes and fun motorcycles to ride once you've gained more experience. Suzuki V-Strom 650 Review. Renowned for versatility, reliability, and value, Suzuki's V-Strom 650 models have attracted many riders who use their motorcycles for touring, commuting, or a fun ride when the spirit moves them. These are touchstone motorcycles balanced with a natural riding position, comfortable seat, and a flexible engine character that produces stress-free riding during brief daily use or a high-mile adventure. The 2022 V-Strom 650 continues the V-Strom family tradition of being a fun and logical motorcycle to buy and ride. The engine delivers stellar performance and great fuel economy while achieving worldwide emission standards. Suzuki's engineering accomplishments also include low weight and a trim chassis, creating a V-Strom 650 that is versatile, controllable, and financially accessible. The V-Strom 650 is an adventure bike that's greater than the sum of its parts, offering versatility and reliability like no other bike in its class. Check out a V-Strom for your next ride and you'll see it answers your motorcycling questions while bringing a big dose of fun when you take it down any type of road. Features. Key features. Coated in pearl brilliant white paint, the effective fairing with vertically stacked headlights, adjustable windshield, and iconic Suzuki DR Big styling adds true adventure style and real-world function. Liquid-cooled, 645 cubic centimeters, 90-degree V-twin engine delivers strong torque in the low to mid RPM range, yet provides a strong rush of high RPM power that's ideal for any riding mission. Suzuki's Advanced Traction Control System * Easy Start System, Low RPM Assist feature, plus ABS ** technology make a great motorcycle really incredible. Multifunction, illumination adjustable instrument panel brings a wealth of information to the rider in a concise manner and helps when setting rider assist features. Strong and lightweight chassis has integrated mount points for unified Suzuki V-Strom luggage that's easy to clip on and off and keeps the motorcycle trim when ready for touring. * The traction control system is not a substitute for the rider's throttle control. It cannot prevent loss of traction due to excessive speed when the rider enters a turn and/or applies the brakes. Neither can it prevent the front wheel from losing grip. Depending on road surface conditions, such as wet, loose, or uneven roads, braking distance for an ABS-equipped vehicle may be longer than for a vehicle not equipped with ABS. ABS cannot prevent wheel skidding caused by braking while cornering. Please ride carefully and do not overly rely on ABS. Engine features. Using SV650 engineering, the V-Strom 650's DOHC liquid-cooled engine has been tuned to deliver clean, strong power at any RPM. Low-friction resin-coated pistons and SCM-coated cylinders help deliver high mileage for class-leading touring range. Unique engine cover hardware and select other fasteners are designed to permit the use of Torx or conventional hex-style tools. The sleek 2-in-1 exhaust system routes below the chassis to reduce weight, centralize mass, and provide space for a narrow tail section and optional luggage. The exhaust system has twin catalyzers and employs O2 feedback to the EFI system to produce optimum combustion efficiency and reduce emissions to an incredibly low level. The fuel injection system employs Suzuki's innovative SDTV, Suzuki dual throttle valve, on 39mm throttle bodies. The secondary throttle valves are controlled by a servo motor for smooth power delivery. 10-hole, long-nose type fuel injectors on each throttle body improve fuel atomization for better combustion efficiency while reducing fuel consumption. Suzuki's patented throttle body integrated idle speed control (TISC) stabilizes the engine idle speed and helps lower emissions. The system is compact and lightweight. The TISC on the V-Strom 650 has Suzuki's low RPM assist feature that seamlessly adjusts engine speed during takeoff and low-speed riding to smooth the power delivery. It also helps reduce the possibility of the rider stalling the motorcycle. The Engine Control Module (ECM) provides state-of-the-art engine management and has enhanced settings to suit the updated intake and exhaust systems, resulting in better fuel economy and linear throttle response. The engine has dual spark technology heads with 2 high-energy, slim electrode spark plugs per cylinder, which aid in combustion efficiency and power production. The V-Strom 650 is equipped with Suzuki's Advanced Traction Control System *, which lets the rider control the throttle with more confidence in various riding conditions. It continuously monitors front and rear wheel speeds, throttle opening, engine speed, and the selected transmission gear to adjust engine output if wheel spin is detected. There are 3 traction control modes, 1, 2, and OFF, and the difference between the modes is their sensitivity to road conditions. Mode 1 is lowest sensitivity level, most suitable for skilled riders or in conditions that have good road surface grip, riding on good, smooth roads. Mode 2 is highest sensitivity level, suitable for road conditions where the grip may be limited, wet or cold surfaces. OFF disengages all traction control features. This V-Strom also features the Suzuki Easy Start system, which lets the rider start the motorcycle with a momentary press of the start button without pulling in the clutch lever when the transmission is in neutral. The compact radiator is flanked by wind directing plates that enhance cooling efficiency and direct heat out of the side vents away from the rider's legs. The 6-speed transmission suits sporty rides with tight 1st through 5th gear ratios and a tall top gear, 6th gear, for highway cruising. Low maintenance, long-life sealed O-ring drivechain is standard. * The traction control system is not a substitute for the rider's throttle control. It cannot prevent loss of traction due to excessive speed when the rider enters a turn and/or applies the brakes. Neither can it prevent the front wheel from losing grip. Chassis features: the beak-style fairing, with vertically stacked headlights and a stronger internal structure, helps the V-Strom 650 cut through the wind, protecting the rider in style. The 3-way height-adjustable windscreen was wind tunnel tested to reduce wind sounds, buffeting, and rider fatigue. The fuel tank has a generous 5.3-gallon capacity but is shaped to be thin at the rear to flow into the slimmer seat, which aids the rider in touching the ground at stops. The internal construction and cap of the fuel tank are updated so the gasoline capacity is the same for both the 49-state and California versions. The spacious 2-up seat combines smooth and slip-resistant surfaces, plus an embossed V-Strom logo. Lightweight, rigid twin-spar aluminum frame and swing arm contribute to smooth handling performance and excellent stability. Spring preload adjustable 43mm front forks and link-type rear suspension are combined with a rebound damping adjustment and hand-operated spring preload adjuster. Light, 10-spoke cast wheels are shod with adventure-spec Bridgestone Batlax 19-inch front and 17-inch rear tubeless radial tires for all-around good performance. Front dual 310mm disc brakes and a rear 260mm disc brake deliver controlled stopping power. Compact anti-lock brake system and #40, ABS and #41*** system monitors will speed to match braking to available traction. The lightweight resin luggage rack incorporates easy-to-grasp grab bars and aligns with the passenger section of the seat, offering a larger surface for carrying cargo or luggage. Depending on road surface conditions, such as wet, loose, or uneven roads, braking distance for an ABS-equipped vehicle may be longer than for a vehicle not equipped with ABS. ABS cannot prevent wheel skidding caused by braking while cornering. Please ride carefully and do not overly rely on ABS. Electrical features. The multifunction instrument panel features brightness-adjustable LED backlighting for its large-diameter analog tachometer, digital speedometer, and LCD data display. LCD readouts include odometer, dual trip meter, traction control modes, gear position, coolant and ambient temperature, fuel consumption, fuel gauge, and clock. Switching between readings can be done with the left handlebar switch. LED indicators include an ABS alert and a freeze warning icon, which together with the air temperature display warn of possible icy road conditions. Strong 3-phase charging system supplies the 10Ah maintenance-free battery for easy starting and additional accessory power. A dedicated accessory fuse is located under the seat. The stacked 65/55 halogen headlamps illuminate the road when your ride stretches into night. The LED tail and brake light is bright and vibration resistant. The turn signals use bright amber incandescent bulbs with clear lenses. A handy 12-volt DC accessory outlet is mounted on the inner dash. Additional features. Genuine Suzuki accessories include side and top cases, engine guards, low and high-profile seats, heated grips, handguards, and more. 12-month limited warranty. Longer coverage periods with other benefits available through Suzuki Extended Protection (SAP).